Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the iPhone off and removing the case and SIM tray. This prevents damage. Once done, tape around the chip to protect glass and buttons because precision matters. Clean the area with 90% plus isopropyl to remove oils. Let it dry. Next, very lightly sand the chip edges with 800-1200 grit, only enough to smooth flaking paint. Make sure to wear a mask and keep dust away, since tiny particles will ruin the final finish. You now fill the chip and build color in thin, controlled layers. First, apply a tiny dot of primer or thin filler with a toothpick, because a level base prevents future peeling. Next, mix and test the touch-up paint to match the frame. Compare in natural light. Apply a hair-thin coat with a fine brush or paint pen. Wait 10-15 minutes to dry. Repeat until the chip is level, making sure each layer bonds well to the primer to avoid lifting later. You finish by leveling and sealing so the repair lasts. Once paint is fully dry, sand gently with 1500-2000 grit to blend edges. Use light passes and check often. Clean dust, then apply one thin clear coat to match sheen. Let it cure 24 hours. Reinstall the SIM tray and case carefully. If you see peeling or lifting, stop. Strip the loose paint, reapply primer to a clean surface, and redo the paint in thin layers. This fixes adhesion problems and prevents repeat failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.